In this video, we're going to show you some of the views that you can expect to get on your recorder. Here we have a 8-channel recorder, and as you can see, we have the 8 view pull up. And you can also do the 9 view. This kind of shows you all of the 8 channels. And the 9th block here is the encoding that's currently happening on the recorder. Now let's say you just want to view 4 at a time. Here we have a larger 4-channel view, and then the other 4 channels as well. And you can bring those up. Now let's say you want to view channels individually in full screen. You can go to view 1, or you can also go on the 4-channel view or 8-channel view or 9-channel view and also double click that channel to bring it up. And let's say you have a channel with audio enabled. For example, our first channel is enabled with audio, and here the blue audio talk icon, when it's enabled blue, that means that you are not listening to the live audio. So let's say you want to listen to live audio, you're going to click the audio talk button. And then when it's not blue, you can tell that it's enabled and the live audio is happening. And you should be able to hear my voice here. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Let's say you want to disable that. So you're going to have to come back up here and you're going to click this icon. And then make sure it's blue. And that means you can no longer hear that channel and you'll just be viewing that channel. It is important to note that you cannot display all cameras in full 4K when watching multiple cameras in a grid at one time. Depending on the model of NVR you have purchased, it will either support a total of 2 4K cameras or 4 4K cameras to be displayed in full 4K resolution in one grid. If you attempt to display more cameras than it can support, the cameras will either have video delay or you will get an error message as the NVR tries to prioritize CPU decoding. I'm going to show you how to correctly watch 4 cameras at one time. This NVR supports a total of 2 4K cameras to be displayed at one time. So at the top, I have 2 4K cameras, and as you can see, if I hover to the top of my channel, I can go to the right of the little utility menu here and see that there is an M, and then if I hover over it, it says switch stream. Now this is what allows me to set the channels to a mainstream or substream view. If I try to set a camera to a higher stream than what my NVR supports for displaying, then like I mentioned before, I may get an error message, or the cameras will have video delay. And then also, most NVRs will adjust the streams back down to substream. For example, I'm going to go to channel 4, hover to the top, it says S1 for substream 1. I'm going to click that. I'm going to go down to M to switch it to mainstream, and we'll see this camera go black as it tries to go into mainstream, and then it changed channel 1 to substream to allow for channel 4 to be in mainstream. Hopefully this video helps. Thank you for watching.